Look closely at the edge of your car's windshield. See those tiny black dots? They're on almost every modern car. And no, they're not decoration. That black band around the glass, along with those dots, is called the frit. And it's doing several surprisingly important jobs. Your windshield isn't simply placed into the car. It's glued to the frame using a powerful adhesive. But there's a problem. Sunlight, especially UV radiation, can damage that adhesive over time. The black ceramic frit helps block UV rays, protecting the adhesive underneath and helping keep the windshield securely bonded to the car. But it has another job. Windshield adhesive isn't exactly pretty. Without the black border, you could see the glue and other mounting material around the edges. So the frit hides all of that, giving the windshield a clean, finished appearance. But that still doesn't explain the dots. Why not just have a solid black border that suddenly ends? Because during manufacturing, the black ceramic area and the clear glass behave differently when heated. The black area absorbs more heat. A sudden transition from black to clear could create uneven heating and optical distortion in the glass. That fading pattern of progressively smaller dots creates a more gradual transition. It helps distribute the temperature change more evenly and reduces visual distortion near the edge of the windshield. And there's one more clever trick. The dots also make the transition look smoother to your eyes. Instead of an ugly, hard line between the black border and transparent glass, your brain sees a gradual fade. So those tiny dots that most of us never notice are actually doing multiple jobs at once, protecting the adhesive, hiding the messy edges, helping manage heat during manufacturing, and making the whole thing look better. It's a tiny piece of engineering hiding in plain sight, and now that you know what those dots are for, you'll probably notice them every single time you get into a car.